Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Maven on Linux. I'm going to show all this process on AWS Cloud, and without wasting time, I have already configured one Amazon Linux instance. Let me connect it first. It is my key pair. I think you guys know how to do this process. Yeah, let me switch to your root user. Okay, you have to install and configure Maven. First thing we need to check is, and the most important thing is, we have to check whether Java is installed or not, because it is the first thing Maven requires. Okay, let me check Java version. Okay, yeah, command not found. Yeah, first of all we need to install and configure JDK 8 or 9 or 10 above 1.7. Okay, for that we need to Google download JDK. Yeah, let me go for 8. For Linux we need rpm or tar.gunzip file. Let me check my instance specifications, whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit. For that you name -a. It is 64-bit and also supports 32-bit. No, x86. Yeah, Oracle is asking username and password. I think there are two options left for us. We can download this by signing into Oracle site, and we can copy it to our Linux instance with WinSCP or FileZilla utilities. And another thing is, we can download it with wget get from web by this command. And I've tried a lot of, I've gone to GitHub and tried a lot of these links, but recently Oracle is asking us our data. They are asking us to sign in. For that purpose, if we, for example, let me try. Let me show you. I copy this. It is updated on 25th July 2020. Let me try this. Let me go to OPT and install that link. Let me create a directory for it. Mkdir Java. cd in cd java. Okay, let me paste it here. One second. Yeah, it is JRE. We don't need JRE, we need JDK. Okay, let me delete it first. I have tried 2019 ones and all of them are showing 404 error because they need a sign in. That's why directly we can't get into downloads. For that I am going with the latest one. See here, 18 updated 18 days ago. Let me try this one. I'll also provide this link in the description. Copy. Okay. Yeah, JDK 8. We can take JDK 9, JDK 10 or above. It is in a zip format. We need to unzip. For that, tar -xlf. X is for V for verbose, F for file, X is for extract, JDK. We will get one JDK folder. Okay, now we need to get into that JDK folder. Okay, we'll get bin folder. Yeah, perfect. Now we need to copy this path and we need to set up environment variables for JDK because they have to work globally. Okay. Present working directory, and this is the path. Let me copy. Yeah, for setting up environment variables in Linux, we have different methods. Let me follow one method. I'll write a script and let me do it. I will create a script in profile.d. Okay, vi etc profile.d. I'll also provide the script in the description. Let me take as java.sh. Okay, I'll create a script in java.sh. Okay, yeah, I export java-home equal to paste the path, export path equal to dollar java-home hash in colon dollar path. Okay, this is the script. Okay, save it. Shift colon click Q. We need to provide permissions, right? Because this is the script and default there will be no executable permission for it. So that I will go with source etc profile.t java.sh. Okay, let me check Java version. Java hyphen push. Yeah, perfect. Now it's showing Java version. Okay, now we need to download Maven and set environment variable for it. Okay, let's go to Maven site. Maven download. Okay. For Linux we need tar.unzip. This is for Windows. Binary zip, binary tar.unzip is for Linux. Copy the link address. Let me yeah, let me create a directory here. Mkdir maven cd maven wget. My internet is very slow. Yeah, done. It is a zip file. We need to unzip. Okay. xvf x for extract, v for verbose, and f for file. Okay, let me get into patch folder. We need to set environment variables for Maven also. Okay, present working directory. We need to follow the same position. Copy the path and let me create another script in profile.d. vi etc profile.d. Now name it as maven.sh. Okay, export. Now let's take m2 iPhone home. We can take any name, but at the time of Tomcat, we'll get some issues. And the iPhone home is called a slash paste the path. Okay. Sorry again. Export path equal to dollar into iPhone home slash pin colon dollar path. Yeah, let me save it. Let me give permissions for it. I mean, without permissions, it has to be executed, right? For that one, that's why I'm going with source. We can also use chmod, 777 or anything you want. Source tc profile.d maven.sh. Let me check Maven version. iPhone version. Perfect. Maven version is 6.3.6. Okay. And you can also see Maven local repository ls-la. Yeah, when we initialize, we'll get .m2. Let me try mvn. It should show build failure. Yeah, now let me try. Yes, -la. Now we have got .m2. This is the Maven local repository. All the plugins are stored here. All the dependencies which are downloaded from the central repository are stored here. Okay. I have some time, and let me also create one sample project template. Okay. Let me get into cd opt. I think you guys know the main Maven works on pom.xml. Okay. ls, let me create one new directory, mkdir mvn. Okay. cd mvn. The command which will produce project template is mvn archetype :generate. Spelling mistake. This actually, I think this is the goal. This is one of the goal. Maven archetype : :generate. This will produce sample project templates. I think there will be approximately 3k project numbers. 3k project number will be provided by it, and we can choose depending upon the project and project number, and it will also provide you one default number. We can go with it for sample purpose, and it will also generate pom.xml. Okay. For the first time, I'm initiating this, and it will take a lot of time. because it has to download dependencies plugins from the remote repo. If you see in .m2 folder, it will be empty because we have not downloaded anything yet. Okay, but now it is downloading. It is contacting with central repository and downloading required plugins. Plugins and dependencies are optional. That depends upon your project. Okay. Yeah, approximately 2800. Okay, I will go with default number. This is the thing which is done by the Maven. It is build tool, and apart from that, it is project management tool. It will provide folder structures where another build tool like Ant will doesn't do this thing. Okay, it only Ant is only build tool, but whereas Maven it is build and project management tool. It defaultly builds form.xml, but whereas Ant, in case of Ant, we have to manually write build.xml file. Okay, let me go with the default number 1696. Enter and choose archetype versions. Let me go with 5. It is downloading required plugins. Group ID, yeah, group ID is organization name or company name. Let me go with com.j. Artifact ID, it's your project name or jar file name or application name. Let me go with project. Naming standards depends on your company. Project 1. Snapshot, I will go with release. I will go with default. Package, if you want jar, bar or er, I will go with if I will go with default. Even if I don't type anything, it will go with the jar. All the above are correct. Yes. Build is success. See, project 1 is created. Project 1 with I have given artifact ID as project 1. You will get folder as project 1. The name which you entered as artifact ID, you will get that folder name. Let me get into that project. You will get form.xml. Okay, form.xml. Now I am in form.xml folder. Let me try one Maven lifecycle or Maven phase or goal, all are same. I think there are many goals. Let me try Maven, the most commonly used. Ambient clean install. You will get jar file because I think in pom.xml I have given defaultly, if I have given jar file, I think it should give a package of jar file dot class file. Jar contains dot class files, and where is web archives, you will have web related technologies, and ER enterprise archives, and you can call archives or archive. ER you can have Java to J2EE standards. Okay, build success. Let me check. Yeah, new target folder is created. This ambient clean will remove the previous artifact or binaries, and it will freshly install new one. Let me get into target folder. Cd target. See, you have got jar file. Okay. um, yeah, this is it, guys. I think you really enjoyed, and sorry for low voice. Thank you. Bye.